Today we are gonna draw Stonig, and I accidentally lost my black marker at different things, so we're gonna use this color instead.
What color is that?
I have no idea, but if you have black, you can use black anyway. There is no changes. Then we're gonna draw Stonig today. That's a picture of Stonig, the largest kind. And you might notice, if you haven't watched the other video of Stonig or Rocket, you can watch them later. So ready? We're gonna draw a curve like we do a lot of the times in these kind of videos. Then we're gonna draw a curve up like that. Then we're gonna make a little C shape like that. Or I have no idea if it's backward or not, because I'm just a kid. About 6 years old though. Now make another C shape that's upside down over here. Now make a smile right here. Now make a teeth as big as you can. Then on this side, make a line. Now make a weird C shape facing up like this. Now make a curve like this, as we do in all my videos. Now make a diagonal line like that. That color in the bottom side. Anywhere you want in the eye though. Now connect this kind of with the curve, but not to there. Just make it the same size like it could connect. Now make a weird curve like that on both sides. No, make two curves up like that. Now make more curves up like that and make both of those on both sides. Now make a curve and a line on top of the curve and one on the other side. Now make the opposite way on the other side. Now make it back here. And do the same thing on the other side. You can make them facing the other way, that will make it better. Now make claws like that on all sides. Both sides. Now make a small curve like that, but not all the way touching. Now make a line like this, as we did in all our Rocket to Stonig to Stonig. Then make another curve like this.
Yeah, you got more stuff in your other plate.
Now make a curve like that. Now make two curves like that. Now make the same thing as you did on the fingers, but kind of more spread out like that.
Please eat it for me, Daddy.
But don't quite do it on both sides. Now make a small curve on this side. Now make a line and do the same thing on the other side, how we make the foot. Now make claws on them. Like that on this foot, and that's the same on the other foot.
And Daddy got that.
Now make a line over there. Now it's time for the tail. Make any tail shape like that kind. Now make the curve as we always do on our rocket, Stonig, and Stonig videos. Now make a ball on top. Now there's one more thing. Now make an eyebrow like this. Now pick up your other markers. I'll tell you which ones you'll need. Gray, get out your gray. Blue, get out your blue. Yellow, but I don't quite have a yellow quite. You can use orange if you don't quite have a yellow.
You say no yellow.
This hand getting hard. Getting my orange out. There. And then lastly, we're gonna use a red. You can pause the video if you need more time to get this.
Again.
Now we're gonna do more things. And at the end, I'm gonna show you fun you go. So now you're gonna get out your gray and make a line from your from your face like this with your gray. Now color over here. And if you need extra time to color, you can pause the video. And yes, now color in the other eye. This other curve is. Close your gray. Now get out your red and color your teeth all red. This tooth. This is your tooth. You might not know that. Now make a line that connects like that and then color in this side. Now color, make a line like that and color in the other triangle. Now color in the arms and the fingers on both sides. If you want, you can make a line to help you. With gray though, it has to be with gray or a curve. Now get out your red and color the claws, and they don't always make them the same. That I know that's okay with you, right? Now this is gonna be a big part. Color in that whole thing. Now close your gray and get out your blue and color this loop around it. With your blue though. Now get back out your gray and color, make another curve like this on your other leg with your gray. And then color both of the legs in. But not the claws. We're gonna color those after this step. This leg might be a little bigger and your marker might run out, so you can just pause. And if you finish coloring when I don't quite yet, just don't keep coloring what you guess it's gonna be like, because you might get wrong. And we want these to be really good. Now, get out your red and color your claws with your red. Now, get out your gray and color this. Now, don't put on your cap. Now we're gonna color the tay gray. Now you can close your marker. And now color that with your orange or yellow. Close that marker then. And now get out your gray and color the ball. Now put all your markers away. Write your name when you're done with your marker you used to always color with. Wait for the next step after. And don't write Lola. That's mine. So now to write Stonig, we're gonna write S-O. Cross it out, that was wrong. S-T-O-N-I-G. Close your marker. We're done. And you may subscribe to us. There are already 2 other videos we have. We have Stonig and Rocket. And we might have some other videos too. So that was the end of the Rocket stage. We'll be here. We'll make another fun character, and that'll come out in a little bit. Goodbye. And you guys not there. Let's take this. Daddy's gonna cross off. We put it down low. You can just wait there until it happens. Dad, I'm done.
Go, buddy. How'd it go, sweet teats?
Good.